everybody, my name is Markiplier, and welcome to a scary Gmod map with Wade, Bob, and Jack.
Oh, it's a piece of a puzzle.
Let me
we
see.
gotta put it in a picture.
Trust me with it. I'm Freddy. I'm the leader. Gimme.
Hey,
I don't know.
part of a picture that we gotta put.
Okay.
Oh, this is hard to walk with.
Even
got it.
more, bro.
I just wasn't on it. Hi, Freddy. That's creepy.
Good work, Bonnie.
Oh, these things are impossible to walk with.
Oh!
Take that.
Why? I got it.
Thank you. I got it.
Don't you fucking dare! Don't you dare! No!
Can't
That's
we
what you
all?
get for killing Freddy. Freddy
yeah.
is my man.
Yeah, me and Bonnie are
I got
tight.
your back, Freddy.
Thanks, Bon.
Bon Bon. You can call me
Assholes.
Bon Bon. Head back.
Get out of the way, Wade. Stop trying to kill everybody.
What
Did
did
you
I do?
try pressing the use button on it? Oh, that didn't work.
Hey,
Don't-
Mark, watch.
don't-
I know how to find it.
No, Bob, no. Bob, that's cheating. We
You're
don't cheat.
cheating.
No, I'm not.
We have not done anything in this game.